collecting toilet paper rolls for a long time, and so we're finally trying to do something with it. So we're doing something a little crafty. When I say Blakely, you say game. Blakely, game. Blakely, game. Lights, camera, action. Here we go. It's the Blakely game. Now enjoy the show. So we got something going on. Can I tell you?
Go ahead.
We're making Pringles.
What?
Yes. You haven't seen that before? I was trying to make this for Air's birthday, but we didn't have the time.
Okay, let's see.
So, hey, Mama, I'm gonna need like an aluminum foil, that silver piece. Do we got that?
Oh, baby, we're not using no aluminum foil.
Not aluminum foil, something like that, Mama. Oh yeah, I still do need aluminum foil, a little piece.
Oh, it costs too much. We're gonna have to substitute with something else.
No, I need a little piece.
I understand. We're just gonna get a little piece of paper and put on the top, color it gray. What? What?
We always coloring on the paper because we have the right color. And we still gotta color all those yellow chips.
Oh, sorry about that. So y'all don't have yellow paper?
No.
Well, start your project today and finish it another day when you get yellow paper. So y'all want a pack of colored paper?
Oh yeah. Lady got heart.
Boom, there it is. That's perfect.
Yeah, that's what we was making for Aubrey coloring.
So that's one you already had.
Yeah, because we was making her this.
Okay.
So we just gonna use this. Even though it's heart shaped.
That's fine.
The heart, the chip was supposed to be heart.
But I'll get y'all a pack of colored paper, like construction paper.
Okay. And then today he's laying down?
No, not today.
He's laying down on the job. I'm tired.
You tired?
Supposed to look. I'm tired.
Who woke you up?
No one. He woke us up. Yeah, he woke us up. Yeah, he was in the hallway. He's like,
So how you tired, man? You're not a part of this project?
what? Huh? What did I just hear? You're not a part? I think you gonna help? What I'm gonna help with? I don't know. What you wanna help with?
And this one taking a snack break. What's a lot going on around here?
They got me the only one working. I can help you. And we don't need this one right now.
All right, well, I'll check back in later to see how it's going, but this is their finished product, what they're gonna try to do. If you can see that, Pringles, and they got yellow chips on the inside.
Yeah.
And so do the chips actually say something?
Yeah. So it's gonna be two types, so we're gonna have to double paper.
Oh. What's up, man? What you got to tell me?
Why are you doing?
Nothing. I just got up. Tell me what part you gonna do?
What?
Huh? What you gonna do?
For what?
Nothing.
He like the color.
Oh, you gonna help them color?
Yeah.
Okay.
I like color. You like color? Yeah. My circles are not perfect, but don't have to work.
Yeah, it doesn't have to be perfect. All right, people.
I circle like that.
Y'all just been keeping everything.
Yeah, we've been keeping them.
Junk Master
I got one
Flex.
last night too. It was that big one, and then it was also one of these. It was that too.
Girl.
It was these side of the bathroom.
Out of the bathroom?
Yeah, those were side room.
What?
All these was higher. Cause we knew you always gonna throw away. Y'all say we keep junk.
You do.
But you call this junk, but we making something out of it.
I understand, but still.
How's it junk? It's creative.
You're right. I'm with you when you're right.
Bye.
Having some disagreements while they're still working on their project. What's wrong with you? Okay, you're coloring? You're doing a great job. So girls, what is going on? We got one.
I am. She over here trying to make that pencil holder that's on the TV, and I want to help too, and she won't let me help.
Okay, so.
No, because I said let's go do it. And you didn't answer. That's why I'm trying to.
Okay, well, just be patient. She said she's gonna turn to it on the TV so that y'all can do it. Why? When you have a TV that you can watch it on.
And it's bigger.
This is the project room, so y'all working on your project in here. And guess who's letting you do that?
You.
Correct. So we're gonna get along, okay?
She's trying to make this and
Show me what she wants to make.
And I want to make it too, but she won't let me try. Because I asked her what you were going to do and we told me to get.
Oh, that's a lot of work, Lena.
Okay.
What's that, a Hello Kitty sticker?
No, that's my next. Like you can make, you can do it, make anything. And it's a pencil holder. And it turns out very cute. See, it's a pencil holder.
So that's what Lena wants to make.
Yes, I do too, but we gonna need a lot of supplies. I don't think we got that.
That's true, Lena. Wait until we get the supplies for that,
We
okay?
can do half of it. The supplies that we do got though,
You hear? Y'all can do half of it and then finish it another day, okay?
because we don't have the white pieces and stuff. Unless we can use.
Is that cool? Is that cool?
Mama, we got that stuff that you don't side.
Lena, that's a deal?
You heard him, he said, I need to take a break.
What you say? You need to take a break. What have you been doing?
Color. I walk now.
Lord have
Color for
mercy.
a long time.
Lord have mercy. All right. Tune back in.
Hey guys, so we just got done eating our breakfast, so now we're back to it. And this is how it looks so far. I got some chips in there with little notes.
Looking good, looking great.
And I'm cutting out the chips. Yeah! I can read one to y'all. How it looks. You curl it up a little bit.
Hold on.
And it says, you're nice.
It says you're nice.
Yep, like that. And there's also one that says,
Come here, big man. Show me what you were
this one
saying.
says, you are my favorite snack.
All right. Okay, MB, show me. Where you at? There you go. Okay, show me what you're talking about.
I'm trying to show you his color.
Okay, you're doing a good job coloring the paper for them.
And we
This is your yellow over here?
That's reddish. She was working on that, but she's taking breaks. She's cutting out. I need to. I found this kind of paper in the craft basket, and Allison said we could have been looked in there.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I got a whole notebook full of those kind of papers. Hey guys, so they left me by myself though, but I'm about done. I just need to add the top on it and stuff, and I'll be good.
They got a hot mess going on down here.
We're gonna have to get cleaned up, but we still got more to do. I'm gonna make me one, and Lay's gonna have to do her one, so we got a lot going on right now.
Well, okay.
But we're gonna get through. Wait, it's gonna take so long. I'm almost done, almost done. But mine almost doesn't count. So we're finally done. It took a while, but we're finally done. Red wood.
That looks good.
We might add a little detail, polka dots or something. Cars.
Okay, polka dots.
So we don't know that, but we done. Moving on to the next. It's my project, and I don't know how to say Red wood.
Say it again. Try it.
Project.
Project.
Project. Project. Look.
That's a little better.
I will.
Hey. Okay, okay.
Back with another project, and we're finished. It's a pencil holder.
Turn it around. Let me see.
It's stitched
Okay.
with glitter and stuff. So it's now the third project, which is gonna be mine. Theirs and B's with Pringles,
I like it.
and this is Lena's. So we're heading on to the next thing, which is mine.
Okay.
Don't mind our thing.
From the living room to the kitchen
Because we
table.
was doing glitter.
Okay.
But I finally finished mine, so this is how it looks. I changed my mind and did butterfly, so this is how my butterfly looks.
Nice.
Yeah, I do not. It's pencil table. I'm gonna see if it actually works. Okay, don't flip over, so we good. And I'm gonna open. When you didn't put your bottom on. Trying to trace around if I can get the bottom.
Can you see it?
Yes, barely. I can.
Okay.
I'm gonna come in my computer easily.
Woo. MB, you should be cleaning up for him. What you doing? Watching TV?
Clean up.
He chilling on Dewey. Turn up then, MB.
Y'all gonna see my business. Okay, no. My mom, I see that noodles. My
You singing the numbers?
That's order.
Did-
Pringles, got butterfly, and also Stitch. So.
All right. What did you help with, Mr. Man?
Nothing. No, you
No.
colored. Yeah, I colored.
Okay.
Oh, we can open the Pringles also. Extra piece. So. Yeah.
All right.
Bye. Bye, y'all. Thanks for coming to watch us. That's bye. Yeah.
We out.
Yeah.